Okay, this one's going to be a quick one. Just a quick demo of this Browning Golden Eagle Mark III on the bench right quick. And the only reason I'm demoing it is because last minute I decided to take it to Dayton. So, dug it out the closet. This is the cleanest one I got. And I knew I went through this one before and it worked. So I decided to take a Mark III. So dug it out the closet. Again, it's not perfect, not mint, but 1 to 10, I'd probably give it an 8. All in all, and a little bit of burn mark there, but very good condition. Receives nice, works nice, everything works. The receiver has the high frequency extension there. The top dial will give you 1 to 23. And in the bottom dial, see, 27595. You do that, you go to from manual to XT1, and you go to the bottom dial. And then on this one, you can still get a fixed crystal and go to XT2. There's no crystal in that one. And basically, that's going to key it down right quick, show everything's working. As you can see, it's receiving this late and there's nobody out there. Let me spot it. Well, I need a second hand. I'm going to hold the camera here and hit spot. And spot it. When you spot, I've had people ask, what's that for? That's basically putting a very small signal from the transmitter to the receiver, so you can tune the receiver to the exact same frequency that the transmitter is putting out. So anyway, spotted up on the dummy load. Nice ping, even with the volume down. A lot of times to get these things to ping good, you gotta crank up on the volume. But and last, on the watt meter, it's dead keying 2.5. Audio. Shh. And talking about 6, maybe whistling to 8, and that's on average. We're gonna reach over and put it on peak. Audio. Talking about audio, about 16 or so peak. That's real good for a Browning. These are not power monsters and all that. Again, not perfect, not mint, but the best one I got. And we gonna take it down to Dayton and see what happened. But we'll keep this one before we sell it cheap. So all right, that's it for this one. Bye.